Good morning, day 37 of 75 hard. You would think doing these every day, I would know what day I'm on, but every time I do this video, I have to go look at my checklist to see what day I'm on before I start the video so I don't mess it up. Anyway, this morning, it's like 4:30 in the morning usually when I'm doing these, and I live 2 minutes away from my gym right now, which means I only cross literally just one intersection and then I'm at the gym. And I always see tons of cars out, like tons of cars. I'm like, where the fuck are you people going? What are you doing at 4 something in the morning every day? And I'm like, oh yeah, I'm one of those people. I'm that person. Somebody else is looking at me going, where the fuck is that guy going? I do the same thing when I go to the grocery store in the middle of the week. It'd be like a Tuesday at 1 and the grocery store's packed. I'm like, what do you people do? Do you not work? And then I'm like, oh yeah, I'm here as well. So anyway, there's no lesson in that. I'm just observing things because we're on day 37 of 75 hard and every day is just the same day. It's like Groundhog Day over and over and over again, but we're doing it. I'm at my lowest weight right now that I've been in a while. I don't have a whole lot more to lose, so I may have to start eating more food before the end of this thing. But anyway, yeah, have a great day. Make a good choice. I'll see you later. All right, folks, day 37 is done. And actually, everything was done like literally hours ago. Because for every day like yesterday, where things get pushed back and delayed and schedules all weird, you have days like today where everything goes exactly the way it was planned because I had a plan and I executed the plan. And it's never easy, but there's days where it definitely just feels easier than others because all the things happen at the timing you want them to happen, and that's the beauty of having the plan. It doesn't always go the way you want it to, but it becomes the default pattern for executing the things you need to do. So kind of 75 easy today. I don't want to say that out loud because tomorrow will be a shit show. Anyway, this is a great day. Day 37. It's a wrap. Make good choices. I'll see y'all tomorrow.